You mentioned earlier that there's so many engineers that maybe cut themselves short. Um, and you talked about the benefits of really starting your own business and maybe having that as a goal. It does sound like it maybe takes a certain personality to do that. Some people do find comfort in sticking with a company, knowing maybe there's more security there of some sort. Have you ever worried about client work at all? You're worried that, oh man, I got to go find more clients to get more business. But it sounds like right now things are great for you.
Things are going good. Because I knew I wanted to start my business one day. I mean, from day one at my company, or at the company I used to work at, I was looking for clients, and that was a really important thing for me. So I would constantly, look for opportunities, and I ended up having like a bit of a niche. So I'm a aluminum design expert, and it makes it easier for me to find work because there's not a lot of aluminum people out there. I mean, there are some, but not nearly enough. And there's actually a lot of aluminum work to be done. So I picked up one client that way doing the aluminum stuff. Once I became the expert, then everybody in the office knew I was an aluminum expert. So they kind of would keep feeding me the aluminum clients because it's its own code. And so it would just kind of flow in, and now I got referred from those clients, did a good job for them, so they've referred me out to their steel counterparts, and yeah, I just have a big book of work right now. And when I started my own company, I didn't realize, but all of my clients were sort of diversified. They had a bunch of different engineers, and they would parse out work based on availability. And so once I became available, they sort of made me their main guy. And I didn't realize, but they could give me like 2 or 3 times as much work as they were previously. So they just turned on the fire hose, and they're like, all right, everything goes to Scott, So
Slow down.
luckily, yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, I have a lot of work right now, and it's a blessing.